Marriage is the forgotten part of the wedding. People plan for it, spends for it, and together with all their friends will make it the best wedding day ever.
Our story has been anything but ordinary, marked by challenges and trial that tested our bond at every turn. But here we are, standing strong and more in love more than ever. Parang pinagkasya natin yung 10 taon sa 1 year nating pagsasama.
But the Bible says one flesh, for this reason a man will leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and the two will become one flesh. Many marriages separated because they have forgotten that they are one. You are now one, guys. That's the miracle that will take place today.
Lovey, you've shown me a love that never gives up. Today, after a year and 3 months of courting and dating, we are now standing before the people that we love as a testament that our God is a prayer-answering God. He has made all things beautiful in His perfect time.
Huling hirit,
Charot.
di ko alam
Actually, yung first day na nakasalubong ko siya, sabi niya, "Good morning, sir." Talagang todo smile yung pagka-good morning niya sa akin.
abot langit.
February 14, bigla siyang nagdala ng... Kasi lahat ng teachers binibigyan ng chocolate, ganyan, flowers, ganyan. Pero sa akin kasi, iba yung flower at saka iba yung chocolates na binigay sa akin.
Di ka
Si Edgar, si Greg, kay Proy. Ayan. Si Ornel.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Valentine's Day! At saka, all together now.
sa piling mo bumabagal lumintong mundo. Sa piling mo ayaw ko mawala, ayaw ko mawala. Sa piling mo
As we continue our journey, I know there will be more challenges ahead. But I also know that there is nothing we can't overcome as long na magkasama tayo. At syempre, lagi natin kasama ang Panginoon. Sukdulang biyaya ako sa Panginoon. I love you.